Chapter 8: Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples and cultures in ancient Australia. There are two main themes in this chapter. The first theme tries to give the answer of the question who are Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. The second theme focuses on what do we know about ancient Australia. The discussion based on these two themes is subdivided into 9 subtopics. These subtopics are: Subtopic 8.1: Ancient Australia, a timeline. Topic 2: The first people in Australia. Subtopic 3: Aboriginal culture and beliefs, the dreaming. Subtopic 8.4: Kinship and family relationships. Subtopic 8.5: Spiritual connection to the land. Subtopic 8.6: The environment and climate of Australia. Subtopic 8.7: Managing the land. Subtopic 8.8: Studying ancient Australia. And the last subtopic is 8.9: Protecting and conserving Australia's ancient past. Now let's start with the topic 8.1: Ancient Australia, a timeline. Circa 65,000 BCE. It is the earliest date for which the historians have found evidence of humans in Australia. Circa 40,000 BCE. Clear evidence exists of humans living in Australia at Lake Mungo around this time. Circa 29,000 BCE. Evidence exists of humans living in the area now known as Kilore in Victoria. Circa 28,000 BCE. Axe heads, tools, and other artifacts found at the Townhill site near Warrnambool indicate Aboriginal presence in the area from this time. Circa 26,000 BCE. Rock art found at Narwala Gavermung in the Northern Territory is believed to date from this period. Circa 18,000 BCE. An ice age makes large parts of Australia too cold to inhabit. People were living along the eastern coast of Australia and Tasmania during this time. Circa 14,000 BCE, ice caps begin to melt and sea levels rise. Circa 10,000 BCE, Tasmania was cut off from the mainland by rising sea levels. circa 6000 BCE. The area between northern Australia and Papua New Guinea is flooded, creating the Torres Strait Island. Circa 7000 BCE to circa 4000 BCE. The flooding of Port Phillip Bay, originally Kulin Nation land. Circa 400 CE. Tools made of bone found in the Otway Ranges, Victoria, suggest Aboriginal people were working with animal skins. 1606 CE. Dutch and Spanish explorers reached the Torres Strait and are believed to be the first Europeans to have contact with Torres Strait Islander peoples. 1770 CE. Lieutenant James Cook sails along the east coast of Australia and claims the continent for Britain. He acknowledges the presence of the Aboriginal peoples but fails to recognize their ownership. 1835 CE. John Batman signs a treaty with the Kulin nation to buy their land. 1899 CE. The landing of Captain Cook at Botany Bay was painted by William MacLeod in the year 1899. This painting represents the landing of Lieutenant James Cook at Botany Bay on 29 April 1770. This was the first topic of Chapter 8, known as Ancient Australia, a Timeline.